Here they come with their bright yellow outfits.
Oh! Yeah. Sure.
Thank you. Good morning. Good morning, Lee and Hao.
Saint Margaret Catholic
Saint
School.
Margaret?
Hey.
I'm guessing mom is left.
Please welcome St. St. School kindergarten students, headed by the school principal, Ms. Susana Ranali. The St. Margaret School Senior Garden will perform later at the main stage. Hello! Hello! Hi!
They get extra points for their outfits.
Where's Miss Ranali?
That's an A grade right there, A+.
Where's Miss Ranali?
Can we have the dignitaries please take the stage? Fantastic. Wonderful.
Please welcome the Minister of Mental Health and Addiction, the MP for York Center, the Honorable Yara Sachs. Woo!
Good morning.
Commendable.
Mabuhay, Minister Sachs. Mabuhay. The former Minister of Immigration, now the Minister of International Development, MP for York Southwestern, the Honorable Ahmed Hussein. Is he here? Ahmed Hussein? Next, we should be very proud of this next person. She was born in Zambia of Filipino heritage. The Honorable Rechi Valdez, Minister of Small Business, the MP for Mississauga Streetsville. Mabuhay, Rechi! Next, I call him Mitch, so he should know who he is. Honorable Michael Korsner, Solicitor General of Ontario, our Member of Provincial Parliament for York Centre. Please welcome Michael Korsner.
Who's that? Oh.
Why aren't we there? Let's go there. There. Huh?
Next, I've known him for many years. He's a very dapper member of Parliament for Eglinton Lawrence, former Minister of Immigration, Marco Mendicino.
I also hear he's got a great jump shot.
Autism awareness in our community. Their goal is to provide education and workshops to families and caregivers who are affected with autism. Promote inclusion.
That brings together the third largest minority group in Canada. Welcome again, PDIDC, and don't forget to check them out next weekend. Nathan Phillips.
Nation as a whole, a positive contributor to the growth and development of the whole community. With an objective to assemble alumni members Alpha Phi Omega in the fellowship of the principles of Scout, Oath, and Law, to develop leadership, promote friendship, and provide service to humanity, and further the freedom that is a national, educational. Yan! Mila Ilagan! Kaway-kaway! Toronto, ang sweet naman, Mahal Kita Lions Club, President Sid Ahmad. Toronto Pillar of Hope Lions Club, President Irene Mejia.
New addition to the parade, Tau Gamma Phi Sigma. Welcome. Good morning. We have Ramon Palacios, Rod Malacad, and Isidoro Dia. Please come to the stage, please. Next up in the parade, welcome.
Why are you so lazy? Like you're so damn
Is this Niagara?
Right there, guys.
No? Okay, welcome. Ringo, South Canada. Good morning.
Would like to welcome on stage the ministers of Iglesia Ni Cristo. Please come forward.
International Alliance of Canada. There's mommy. Right there.
Alright, visiting us from Niagara. Niagara, just getting on. Give them a round of applause. Woo! There you go. The mission of this group as a brotherhood and sisterhood to our community is to foster camaraderie, leadership, and service among its members while promoting unity, integrity, and social responsibility. Thank you. Joining us in the parade this year, we're proud to have Scotia Bank.
Scotia Bank is a major sponsor. And Scotia, you're richer than you think. Are you?
I hope so.
Please, palakpakan po ang Scotia Bank. They are a major sponsor for Taste of Manila 2024. Palakpak po!
This group's ready to show us their thing. They're really excited right now. They really get this crowd hyped up. I&I Power Dance Fitness. This group was formed recently and it strongly advocates for empowerment. Together by the love to hope, bringing people together through dance and fitness. Their vision is that dance should be about removing boundaries, not reinforcing them, empowering everyone to self-worth and respect individuality. Proud of their contribution to the Filipino community. Here are Irene, Meha, and Yen Del Torre with the I&I Power Dance Fitness family. Show us your stuff, ladies! Woo!
Show us your moves!
Yeah.
I'm trying to get Jennifer, bro.
We have JD now
Is she getting married? No, not like that, bro. Like on camera. Yeah,
energy. All right.
Headed by Josie De Leon. By the way, Josie and I co-host.
It's just no song, but I can sing it with my friend.
Tajaluganan! Kan! Tajaluganan! Let's go! Sana talaga ngayon tuto pa! Ate!
Oh, thunder!
Oh my God! Yan! Dancers, of course, DJ Legacy Lions Club and Pearly Shelter next to the floor. They try.
Holy! Run! Where's my car? Shortcut. Nandiyan na kuya. Whew. What's going on here? Oh shoot. Okay.
Why, what's wrong?
So everybody's stuck. Ah. Oh, there's Norman. Auntie got a t-shirt. Huh? Go.
Second leg. Go. Okay, go next. Go next.
After ate.
Ano? T-shirt sana na. Okay, next. Come.
Guys, yung ayaw sumali sa novel, siya pang nanalo ng bigas.
Oo, kasi kumuha ka
I wanted the t-shirt. Because I'm wet. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm wet. That's why I wanted a t-shirt. Pero nanalo naman ng bigas.
44 po ang palitan
2 kilograms?
44 pesos per dollar.
Yeah, right there.
Yes, 44 po. Sa unang padala po. Ay, naman na kayo. Ay, naman padala kayo this month.
Ayun guys. Ayun guys. Bili kami ng isaw. Ayan o, isaw. Teka ba? Hurry! How's it? Why's your face like that?
So hard. No. So hard.
Mukhang masudog ah. Eh. Ano, wala na yung mga tao. Ayun. Hmm.